araw sa gabing ito. Nais ko lang kamustahin ng lagay ng ating mga bisita by means of their energy. So with that, maaari mo ba ako makarinig po muna mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Woohoo! Ayan, palakpak naman tayo lahat. Ayan, of course, at the same time po, ganyan dapat tayo kasaya, di ba? And dapat ganyan din tayo ka-energetic for tonight because of course we are all gathered here on a rainy season for this evening because we are going to celebrate one very special occasion po for our birthday celebrant po sa gabi ito. And by the way, muli isang magandang gabi sa ating lahat ng nandito and welcome aboard here at the Talumbas, Bustos, Bulacan. At tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina lamang, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate the 50th birthday of our birthday celebrant po sa gabing ito na si Ma'am Rosemary. Ayan, handa na po ba kayo? Siyempre naman, di ko na pahabain ko, wala na masyadong long intro, pero may favor lang ako sa lahat. Siyempre naman, our program will not be able to push through kung wala pa dito ang hinihintay nating reyna ng gabing ito. So might as well salubungin natin siya by means of a grand entrance. Okay? So papalakpakan lang po natin siya once I call her name. Pero bago ang lahat, maaari ko ang imbitahan ng bawat isa na magsipagtayo po tayong lahat. May I request everyone to please rise. Tayo na po tayo because I believe the long wait is finally over as we are about to turn this lifetime dream of our birthday celebrant happy into reality once and for all. So might as well, let's give it a round. Okay, so tayo na po tayong lahat. Okay, wait lang. And of course, pag tinawag ko siya here on stage, salubungan na natin siya sa masigabong palakpakan na may kasama na rin pong hiyawan. Handa na po ba tayong lahat? Are we all guys ready? Palakpak na tayo kung handa na ang lahat. Okay, kung gano'n, syempre naman di ko na pahabain pa. Brace yourselves everyone and get ready because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only birthday celebrant for tonight. Syempre naman napakaganda at ang reyna po ang star ng ating gabing ito. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome on stage the one and only Ma'am Rosemary.
Yes, she loves me. It's
Palakpakan namin natin once again our birthday celebrant for tonight, Ma'am Rosemary. Palakpakan naman po natin, DJ. Salamat po. And of course, everyone, please remain standing. Manatili lang tayo saglit na nakatayo at samahan niyo lang ako. Bibilang lang po akong tatlo. Sabay-sabay lang natin siyang patiin all together na happy birthday. Handa na po tayo? Samahan niyo po ako. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Isigaw po natin ang Happy birthday, Ma'am Rosemary. Alright, so of course, please remain standing po upang formal na sibalan ng ating programa po sa pamamagitan ng isang opening prayer. And to lead our opening prayer, of course, may I call on Ma'am Rachel to lead our prayer for this evening.
Tumila na po yung ulan, nakarating po kayo. Siyempre, kay sis, mauulit kami. Maraming salamat. Kay boss,